Welcome to Atrashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to pin a video or participant. Or in other words, we can say how to disable active speaker view in Zoom video communications. Now let us see how to pin a particular person's video.
Hi, I am Tasim here.
So as you can see here, when Tasim talked, Tony's screen have been put aside and his screen have popped up in our system.
Hi, I am Tony here.
So now when Tony talked, Tazim's video have been put aside and Tony's screen popped up. So when there are many participants, this will be a very irritating issue. So let's see how to fix this. We can do so by pinning your required participants screen on your window. So for doing that, go to gallery view and then find your participant and click on the three dots on the top right corner of your participant screen and then click pin video. And now even though other participant interrupts, when he starts talking, Tony's video will not be put aside.
Hi, I am Tasim.
So as you can see here, even though Tazim talked, his screen did not pop up in our screen and Tony's screen was fixed in our Zoom window. So now in order to unpin your pinned video, you can just either click in this unpin video here, or you can even go to the same three dots and then you can click unpin video. And now the view has been changed to Tazim's webcam, and you don't need to go to gallery view in order to pin any video. If your speaker's view is already there in the top ribbon, you can just select pin video from the participants shown in that ribbon. So this is the end of this tutorial. See you in next tutorial.